Hey, Jerry, what do you think of wireless network reports and reports in Hamina wireless planner in general?
I like the fresh kind of live, as I like to think of it, as kind of a live report, right? It's kind of a living report in the sense that it's very interactive.
Yep, yep. And you just found out it's in 3D as well, right? Like literally
Yeah, that we just
minutes ago.
Yep, exactly. Yeah, that's one of the things that was, missing from the planning side or from the reporting side compared to the planning side. Like the ability to be able to view those designs in 3D, especially when you're dealing with something like a warehouse environment, being able to see
Exactly,
the
like
heights
the
of the different
roaming man here,
objects.
for example.
Yeah.
This is really cool, though, that you can actually see the experience using a certain client device. Like I just, everybody seems to be using it these days.
Yep, I think it's a great way to validate the design, especially if you have specific areas within a design that you want to, that are very critical areas that you want to make sure have proper roaming.
Yeah,
I think it's a
yeah.
great tool to be able to leverage for both the person that's doing the design, but also for the, who you're delivering the design to.
Exactly. And I really like the switching, the cabling, as we can see here, PoE allocation, and everything lands pretty automatically. And also like the bill of materials gets automatically generated, all of that. And PDF too. I'm sure you've done a PDF report or two in your life, haven't you?
Oh yeah, hundreds of individual reports that were probably well over 100 pages at times, which are pretty painful, one to produce, but also even more painful to consume and to have to read and find the information you need out of there.
Yeah, it's a bit different with the three dimensionality. Here we can actually see an auditorium like boasting some of the new sloping floors, raised floors. You can see like full three dimensionality here. The user can also choose the frequency bands, the reader of the report, and of course click on APs and see the AP placement, all of that. And for AP placement, like for installers, they can actually see exactly where the APs are because they can zoom in and stuff. And then there's the
Yep.
coverage areas, pretty clearly indicated.
Yeah, and I think as far as the PoE side, I think that's more and more critical as we're approaching things like Wi-Fi 6E, tri-radios, those kind of things. So having that bill of materials and the PoE and switch information in one design is going to be more and more critical as we move into that technology.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I didn't know about the capability as well of being able to copy and paste that into Excel.
Yeah, you just copy and paste. That's all there's to it, and it quite nicely lands into Excel.
Yeah, that's very slick.